One of such a case, a patient came to a doctor, taken a treatment, and asked for the medical certificate. While taking a treatment, his name he has disclosed as a Ram. My doctor was writing Ram on every OPD paper. And when he wanted to have a certificate, he has given a certificate without inquiring about his real name, which we don't do. Now, we don't ask for the Aadhaar card and other things. He has given a certificate for Ram, and this was sent to the native place where his brother, who was actually Ram, his name was Sham, who wanted this certificate because he wanted to do a crime there. And he has done a crime there. And his advocate, on the basis of certificate, taken the plea of LAB. LAB means one person can be present at one place at one time. So he has narrated to the court that the accused was in Mumbai. There's no question that he can do a crime in Lucknow. He cannot be at two places at one time. And the certificate shows that his name is Ram. And since nothing was mentioned in that certificate, doctor was called by this court for examining because circumstantial evidence was clear that that guy was at Lucknow and done the crime. My friend, you can understand how painful this scenario situation. So, my friend, medical certificate is a routine thing which we do in our medical practice. We give in medical practice. My humble request, please be careful while issuing a medical certificate. I remember a case where letterhead was lying on table, stamp was lying there. One of the accused has stolen that, as doctor were very careless. He himself has made a certificate of illness on that particular letterhead and submitted to authorities where he want to escape from some legal hassle. He must have done some crime. When doctor came to know about this, through police officer who approached him, that this guy was not there yet, how you are given a certificate? Because that time he was in jail. So it is a false certificate. Doctor denied that this is not my handwriting. This is not my signature. But he accepted that stamp is his own, letterhead is his own. Simply while arresting, police officer said, it is a part and parcel of investigation and proof of that. At this stage, because this is your certificate, we need to arrest you and we will send for forensic to confirm later, or you prove your innocence in court of law that it is not your handwriting or it's not your signature. So lying your letterhead on table is really going to be troublesome to you, which can be misused by any person, anytime, anywhere. I still know a certificate given by one of my doctor to a criminal who has already done a crime and came to this doctor for treatment of his injury. During fight, probably he must have got injury. Doctor has not done any MLC because smaller or lesser injury, we don't take care. Done a treatment, given a certificate. Later, this guy was arrested by the police. He submitted all the document which he has taken to the doctor. Police approached this doctor that if he would have informed us, being a law-abiding citizen, probably would have arrested this accused earlier, would have stopped further crime to happen. And you are in hand and gloves with the patient, with this accused, in such a case. So, my friend, when you write something on a paper, be careful what you're writing. You need to be careful because this can really trouble you a lot. I will definitely share with you all how to write the certificate to safeguard you. What are the requirements on a certificate which can safeguard you and we can save you in every given scenario situation. But before that, let me warn you, please don't ever issue a false certificate for want of 10 rupees or 12 rupees or 15 rupees, because I've seen my doctors are giving medical certificate charging 10 rupees and 12 rupees. and you are risking your medical profession, you are risking your medical degree. Lots of criminal cases are cropping up in the country only because of your something mentioned on a paper.